Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Hello, lovely creative beings all over the world. Have I ever told you that when you do that, when you raise your arms in the air, that you cannot be sad? It's not possible. You can try it. And also all our themes here are related to positive thinking and to overcome sadness and unsatisfaction in our life. And this can happen through one medium of it is that this could happen through soul painting. Do you have also sometimes a feeling, oh my God, I cannot let go of this and that, and when you are mad with someone, when you feel betrayed, and then you say, oh, I can't get it out of my head, why did he or she does it to me? It is a really, really tough thing to letting go. But when you are angry or when you are sad and when you not get that feeling out of your head or these thoughts to the other person or the root of that cause which causes you that pain, that being sad or this aggression, then you can ask yourself, could I let that feeling go? Then maybe the answer is yes. I said, would I be able to let it go? Maybe the answer will be yes. They say, okay, then I will let it go. I will let the feeling go. And you also can ask you, do I need that feeling for my personal growth? When the answer is no, then continue with asking, then could I let it go? Yes. Would I let it go? Yes. And then release it. Then you can let it go somewhere, your place of choice. It is easy, but we have to be aware of it, and also we have to be aware that it's okay to feel like that it's human, it's our nature to be mad sometimes, to be aggressive, but the question is for how long. And if you feel it, and if you are aware, oh my God, here I'm now in my own trap again, then you could ask yourself these questions. The main thing is to be in the presence in this special moment. I wish you all a happy and wonderful day ahead.